Here everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Coinstats to Cash App in a simple way. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first, let's understand this. You can't send the money directly from Coinstats because it is only a trucker, not a wallet. Alright? So here's what you need to do. First, convert your coins into Bitcoin. If your crypto is in another coin like Ethereum or USDT, swap or convert it to Bitcoin in the wallet or exchange where your funds are actually stored. Alright? And take a note that Bitcoin is the only coin you can send to Cash App. Cash App does not accept other cryptocurrency. Alright? Now open your Cash App and then tap on the Bitcoin section. Select to deposit the Bitcoin, then copy your Bitcoin address. Go back to your wallet again or exchange, like MetaMask or anything. And then just stop sends or withdraw. Paste your Cash App Bitcoin address, enter the amount, and confirm the transfer. Once it confirms, your Bitcoin will appear in Cash App. And that's it. Convert your crypto to Bitcoin. Then send it to Bitcoin to Cash App. Simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.